Why does no one talk about the American Express Green Card? Is it because it's green? What's up guys, it's Brandon, this is BZ Investing, and in today's video I will be telling you exactly what you need to know about the American Express Green Card and how it compares to the American Express Gold Card. We'll be talking about the main use case for each card, the point multipliers, the credits, and of course, that annual fee. But let's not waste any more of your time and let's get into one of the main talking points, and that is the point multipliers. Now first, what the hell does the Amex Green Card offer? Well first, it is a great travel card, but it also offers excellent everyday value. And let's talk about that. With the Amex Green, you can earn 3x points at restaurants, takeout, and delivery in the United States. That's pretty good. But if we look at the counterpart, the Amex Gold, you can earn 4x the points at restaurants and 4x the points at US supermarkets. So let me just say we are off to a bad start when it comes to everyday value when comparing the Amex Gold and the Amex Green. Now, if you're just looking at the Amex Green at itself, at its core value, that is awesome. 3x points at restaurants, that's pretty good. Matter of fact, that's really good. Now, while it may seem like the Amex Gold is looking very strong, let's get into one of the main reasons why you would get the Amex Green, and that is the travel benefits, or in this case, the travel point multipliers. With the Amex Green, you get 3x points on travel purchases, including airfare, hotels, cruises, tours, car rentals, and more. But wait, it doesn't stop there because you also get 3x points on transit purchases, including trains, buses, ferries, subway, and more. Whereas with the Amex Gold, you get 3x points on flight purchases through the Amex portal. So when comparing the two, the Amex Green does win when it comes to travel point multipliers. So you're probably thinking, that does sound good, Brandon. I mean, you know, the travel benefits do sound good with the Amex Green, so, and also I get everyday benefits. I mean, you're kind of getting me there, buddy. But I do need to know the annual fee. What is it, buddy? All right, so let me just say, the annual fee for the Amex Green is $150 annually. Of course, not monthly. Okay, let's just be clear, annually. And then on the Amex Gold, it is $250 annually. So you just have to compare. I mean, it's pretty close. It's not that far from each other. It's reasonable to compare. So let's talk about the credits that are available with both cards. Let's start off with the Amex Green. With the Amex Green, you get $100 clear credit. This is when you get your clear membership through your Amex Green, which allows you to get through airports a lot faster. So if that makes sense to you, then this might make sense, but to be honest, it kind of doesn't make sense. You also get $100 lounge buddy credit. This is where you use your Amex Green to purchase lounge access through Lounge Buddy. So again, if this makes sense, then this could be a valuable credit for you, but for the most of us, for the rest of us, yeah, nobody. Now with the Amex Gold, you get 2 credits. And for the first credit that we will talk about, it is the $120 Uber Cash credit. All you have to do here is to add your Gold Card to your Uber account, and you will then get $10 every month to use your card for Uber Eats or Uber rides. And also, just for a side kicker, for every Uber Eats purchase, you will earn 4x points on those purchases. So again, this credit might make sense because who doesn't eat out and who doesn't from time to time use third-party apps like Uber or DoorDash or Grubhub? I mean, you name it. But it doesn't stop there because with the Amex Gold, you also get another $120 credit, and this is associated with dining. Here you can earn $10 in statement credits every month when you use your card for purchases at places like Grubhub, Seamless, The Cheesecake Factory, Ruth's Chris Steakhouse, Boxed, and participating Shake Shack locations. So that annual fee can essentially be cut down from $250 a year to $10 a year after using these 2 $120 credits. So I kind of have to give this to the Amex Gold. I mean, I kind of do. Okay, Brandon, obviously the Amex Gold is by far the better charge card, credit card versus the Amex Green. I mean, come on, dude, let's be honest here. And you know what I have to say to that? It kind of depends. Now, obviously, if you want more everyday value and you don't travel as much, but you do want some travel benefits, then the Amex Gold is the perfect card for you, hands down. And I've made numerous videos about the Amex Gold and why it's the best Amex credit card in the game. But in this video, I will say it depends. Because if you're someone who likes more travel benefits and you love Amex, with the Amex Green, you get 3x points on travel purchases, but you also get 3x the points on transit purchases. So again, we have to put everything into context here. Because remember, with the Amex Green, you also get 3x the points at restaurants. So it does offer some great everyday value. So again, you have to ask yourself, what kind of person are you and what will you be using your card for the most? $150 annual fee with the Amex Green, $250 annual fee with the Amex Gold. The credits that are available, it kind of makes more sense that you can knock down your Amex Gold annual fee down to $10 a year. Essentially, effectively. I mean, whatever word you want to use, but it kind of makes sense that it could work that way. Whereas with the Amex Green, your $150 annual fee, the 2 credits available, the $100 clear credit, I mean, I guess. And then the $100 Lounge Buddy credit. Well, if you're someone that travels, maybe this does make sense, so it can knock it down by $100 and make your annual fee $50 in that case. But again, I would have to give it to Amex Gold when talk about feasibility of the credits being used. For the Amex Green, I would recommend if you really value more travel benefits. And yes, there are other travel cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred, which I kind of just made a video about it, but again, I'm just saying, in this video, the Amex Green is a solid credit card, or charge card. You get my point. Bottom line, Amex Gold, baby. Now, if you thought the Amex Green is a great travel credit card with a low annual fee, then check out this video where I talk about the Chase Sapphire Preferred versus the Chase Sapphire Reserve and why the Preferred might be the better option. Peace.